Justin Timberlake and Jessica Biel's son is growing up fast and has just started school. The superstar couple's 3-year-old boy, Silas, is getting big now, and the proud parents are delighted to be ticking off another milestone in his development. Speaking to Extra at the Primetime Emmy Awards, Jessica revealed he's so good, so big, he started school today, pre-K. It's a big deal. He's just getting so big and so funny. He has beautiful long hair that we haven't cut yet. He's just growing up. The loved-up pair, who got married in 2012 after dating for 5 years, recently took a family trip to Italy, with Jessica admitting the European country was their happy place. Her 37-year-old husband added, "If you don't have fun in Italy, there's something wrong with you." Although their busy globe-trotting careers often separate them, the actors believe their marriage is solid because they work hard to keep the peace and understand one another. We're lucky enough to go and stay in different places and live in different places while we work, and that's definitely part of having a strong marriage. But honestly, I just really feel like you have to work hard. That doesn't change if you work at home or in an office or if you're on a tour. It doesn't change. The work doesn't change. Being devoted to the relationship is our biggest priority. Sick of these promos? Like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.